Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Venmo username not showing up. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix it because me myself I had the exact same problem before. So what I did to be able to actually fix this, I firstly closed my Venmo app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And now when I was on my settings app, I scrolled down, I clicked on general, scroll down again, and then I clicked on storage. And I waited for this page right here to completely load. And by the way, if you're using an Android, don't worry, you can just find storage on your Android in your settings as well, because it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide after that as well, even if you use an Android or iPhone. So in here, what I did, I scrolled down and I found Venmo in here. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down. Oh, here it is. So click on Venmo. Then what I did, I clicked on Upload App. And once again, I clicked on Upload App. And here, I waited a couple of seconds and then I clicked on the blue button here again. And as you can see, my Venmo app now says loading, and it's going to take me probably a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds to be able to completely load my Venmo to the newest version. So I did this myself, then I went back into my Venmo app and it was fixed for me. So I hope that this is going to be fixed for you as well.